Hi friends, I'm Miss Jasmine and welcome to Little Hands Big Snacks. Today we're making a berry yogurt parfait and Little Hands can help with every step. Here's what we need: yogurt, berries, and something crunchy. You can either use cereal or granola. First, we add the yogurt to the bowl and Little Hands can help. Okay, so we're gonna add some yogurt right here down at the bottom. There we go. So yogurt first, then berries, then crunch. That's called sequencing. Next, we add berries. What colors do you see? That's right, blue for the blueberries and red for the strawberries. So let's put some berries in this parfait. Oh my goodness, look at these pretty blueberries. And up next, we'll put our strawberries in. There we go. We're just going to use all of the strawberries. And then last, we sprinkle some crunch on top. There we go. One more spoonful. And we made a berry yogurt parfait. Thanks for cooking with me today. I'm Miss Jasmine, and this is Little Hands Big Snacks. I'll see you next time.